I'm using a Unitech DC servo motor, rated at 42 volts at 3,000 RPMs. With 12 amps output. For the hub assembly, what I used was 2 motorcycle sprockets, a 44 tooth for the large and a 14 tooth on the motor side, which gives me a 2.5 to 1 gear ratio. So when my fan hub turns once, the motor turns 2.5 times. So we're going to see what the power output is. Hopefully this weekend we're going to do a test run on it at the house. Used a 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe for the base. So that monster fit right in there. I'm also going to be using a thrust bearing that'll go in the bottom of the pipe, and then everything will sit on there so it'll turn nice and smooth. We hope, but it should. It fits right. This fits right in on top of a 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe. And then my windmill will sit down on top of that. We're going to be using the RX blades. I have 6 of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 6 blades yet or not, but they'll go right on like so. And we'll see what happens. Right now I'm just bolting everything down, making sure everything fits, fixing to change the connector here. I'm just going to put a standard male receptacle on there, so I can just plug into like an extension cord end or something like that, and we're going to go from there. The tail section is adjustable, so I can either I can shorten it up or lengthen it, however I need to do. I think the length is okay with that. We'll see, but I think it should be. I used a 3/4 inch saddle bearings there, and everything's heavy gauge steel. All in all, this windmill cost me so far to produce, well, let's convert pesos to US dollars, because I'm actually in the Philippines right now. The labor to build the windmill was 2,600 pesos, so that's right around 40 bucks. The motor cost me 3,000 pesos, so it's right around $60. Chain was $4. The sprockets were $4 each, and then the RX blades that I had shipped here from the States ended up costing me, well, it was 40 bucks for the blades and then 60 bucks to ship them here. So it's 100 bucks for 6 blades. So hopefully, you know, we'll produce good power here, and we'll see what happens. I'll inform you in the future.